We are ready to unveil our new converter here at APTA 2023.
It's a complete new converter that right now is new technology and it's going to give a very good extension of life of the complete train.
There are several solutions, intermediate solutions, that is based on actually what type of problem you guys have, actually what is the budget that you have, and what is your goal. 2 and 3. What we have here is a new generation of power converter. It could be the whole propulsion inverter, it could be for rails and some other applications like wind turbines, solar, energy storage, EV chargers, hydrogen, and so forth and so on.
We believe that this is going to be a game changer.
APTA's been pretty amazing this year, so very exciting. The unveiling went great.
It has been going incredibly, has been a lot of interest about the ultrasound module.
Everyone is surprised about the level of technology that we are developing.